we are going to continue working with this block layout. Now let me go in here so we are going to go inside the block layout options, okay? And first of all, we are going to give right here 2 columns, and then the leading articles, we are going to click 0, okay? And then the intro articles, we are going to give, probably we are going to give 6, okay? Then inside the multi-column order, we are going to use, probably it will be down, okay? Next, we are going to click save and click on block. Let me refresh one more time. And now we are going to click F12. So we are going to go to the HTML tab, and let me increase the size in here. Then we are going to go to body. Then inside here we are going to continue all the way inside the call mask. Down here call myth, call left, and everything in this case will be inside the center column, okay? The main content. Let me scroll down. Now something that you will notice right away is that you are going to have all the time the classes column 1 and column 2, okay? So if we go in here, you are going to have all the time, okay, column 1 and column 2. If we go down here, you are going to have column 1 and column 2. Now in order for you to have this, you will need to make sure that you create, well, that you apply the settings that I show you in here, okay? You should be inside the block layouts. You will need to have all the time leading articles equal to 0, and the articles, you can have this number. Well, you can insert whatever number you want in there, but this will be the amount of articles inside your blog. If you go to my website, let me go in here, CMS Teachings, you are going to be able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, let me go down, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10, okay? So this number will affect the amount of articles that you are going to have inside your blog, okay? Especially in the initial page. So be careful with that, okay? Let me go to the F12. Again, we are going to go inside the CSS style and main content. We are going to have the main content and then the column 1, okay? And then main content and the column 2. Let's go to Komodo and click on File and open File. And again, we are going to find the CSS style in here. Click in there and click Open. Now here's what we are going to do. We are going to scroll down, and let me go after the columns. We are going to scroll all the way down, and after right here, you know what, let me go in here. You are going to find this will be my center column layout, and we are going to click in here, okay? Now you can insert this CSS rule inside any place you want. Right now I am choosing this, okay? So don't get confused while I am working with the CSS style. And in here we are going to write down, this will be my blog layout. Let's click enter, and we are going to write down the ID, main, and content, then a space, and we are going to go with the column 1. We can just copy all this, column 1, and go back, Control V, okay? We are going to open. Now what we are going to be doing in here is that we are going to float the column 1 to the left, and then the column 2 to the right, okay? Let me write down float and left. Then we are going to write down the width In this case it will be 46%, okay? Then semicolon, and right now we are just going to copy all this and click enter and Control B, so we can change this column 1 to 2, and this will be to the right there, and the same width, okay? So we are going to click Control S. Next we are going to upload this new CSS style inside our website. So let's right click and upload and click OK to replace using the case that appears inside here, okay? Now we are going to go back in here and click refresh. Now if you notice, nothing happened. Why? Because actually if you already probably took the CSS training, you are going to notice this column, and this will be a class, so you will need to write down the period right there, okay? Control S one more time and right click and upload. Now we are going to refresh one more time. There you have it, my friends. As you can see, this will be really easy to accomplish, okay? So for this video, that will be it, and let's move on to the next one.